Wow, you've been busy.
Peace, love, and light. Listen up.
I'm on a train by myself.
You did?
It was a long ride
Where was it going?
everywhere. Mommy's coming with me next time.
What do you mean?
She's coming with me.
Now check that out, folks. Did you hear that? The little boy is a ghost. He's in full apparition talking to his dad, saying he went on a train ride before and it was a very long ride. I'll rewind it back. Using this for educational purposes only.
Wow, you've been busy.
I went on a train by myself.
You did?
It was a long ride
Where was it going?
everywhere. Mommy's coming with me next time.
What do you mean?
She's coming with me.
You hear that, folks? He was on a soul train. He's a deceased ghost talking to his father and realizes that his mother is dying and she'll be going on the train ride the next time. Peace, love, and light. Soul Train is real, folks. It's real. They put it right in front of our face. The little boy said he was on a train ride. A long train ride. Dad said, where'd it go? He said, everywhere. One love. Fair use.